How to add audio to your Canva animations. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can add audio and music to your videos on Canva. So first up, open the Canva app and go to apps. Then you'll see the app audio. You can click on that. Okay, so I have already made a little video of some hiking boots. So for the first video, I'm going to add hiking boots walk, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, so we have added that, and you can pretty much type in anything here that you want. You also have different genres here, and you can pick and be creative as you like. The next video, we are going to add music and sound effects here. So I have been searching, let's type in pop effect. So you can use anyone that you like. I'm going to click on this one. And now that one doesn't want to play. Neither does that one. Let's just go back and use the original one that I used. I think my Wi-Fi is just a bit slow today. But anyway, I used this one. Not this one, this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on that, and it has already been added to my video. So I can drag it to where I want it. Then I want to animate the picture, and we want to do that. And then I'm gonna click on that, and you can increase the volume. Let's increase the volume a bit, and let's play that video to see how it looks like. Just gonna drag it along, and then we're gonna play it. Then it will go over to the next video. Why does it not want to do it? Let's try this. Okay, so start of the video, then let's just head over to the next part of the video, and you will see with the transition you can actually fade away the music, and then when we go to the next picture, it will slide and the sound effects will be heard. So you can just play around with that, and yeah, that's how you can add audio and manage the music. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment.